So I would definitely recommend Superwood. They have been extremely approachable, very innovative in their thinking, and were really able to capture that vision that we had and to really help us and the client through that process from day one. And just a great bunch of guys to work with. We commenced interacting with Superwood from the concept schematic phase, so right at the beginning of the project. So we took Superwood through the vision, and they embraced that vision with us and worked through that process with us from start to end. So Superwood were there to help us with how we could realise that vision, assisting us with using their resources and their knowledge base, with how we could technically create and fabricate the panels and the geometries that we were after, the installation and maintenance of those systems, and as well as the different finishes that we could utilise as part of that system. So Superwood were very innovative in their thinking compared to a lot of suppliers who we found were quite strict in their thinking in relation to their own products. Superwood allowed us to utilise their knowledge and their resources to come up with innovative ideas which were different from the norm, and really embraced our vision as part of their own to really work effectively with the entire project team, with the client, ourselves, with the builder, to really realise this project. So there's always a challenge, so you have a big idea and then it needs to fit within the client's budget. Although we found the process with Superwood very smooth, they were very flexible and open to really providing us with different options, different materials, different ways of installation, manufacture, that we could options that they could provide us, which allowed for that final vision to be realised. So whilst we were working through the design, we were able to receive prototyping and sampling from Superwood throughout the entire process so that we could clearly visualise the materiality, the finishes, the junctions, the fixtures, and how all of that would evolve through the process. So Superwood were very open to providing mock-ups and samples to us and to the entire project team to allow that smooth process through from concept right through to construction. Seeing the ceiling now in its completion and seeing the community and customers really embracing and enjoying the space is a real privilege, and having that initial vision being realised and seeing it in fruition has been great. It's really about creating a strong sense of place, particularly for the project, where you wouldn't find it anywhere else. And we do that for all of our projects, so it's very site specific, and so it was something that was new, and it was great to see that we were able to push through with that vision and really make it real for Castle Towers.